Alright, here we have a '05 Jeep Liberty. Will not start. Put the key in the ignition. Got good battery. See all the lights come on. You turn the cycle the switch, and it's nothing. You can hear the fuel pump kicking on, but it's not making the engine crank. So we're doing research on this particular vehicle. This is an ignition actuator that fits behind the lock and key cylinder, and the lock and key cylinder fits up in there, that part, and that actuator fits into the electrical part, and it turns it cycles the switch. But the problem is the little metal piece is cheap metal. It breaks, and that's what caused it not to turn it so the car would start. And usually when that breaks, it also short out the electrical part, and this is the electrical ignition switch, and all that meshed together. And give me a few seconds, I'll show you where it goes.